friends, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are here on my channel, then my name is Kani Karthik. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell icon so that you will be notified every time I put up a video. Now let's get into this video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this smoky eye festive makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. I'm starting off with priming my face and I'm using Beauty & Co's Rose Gold Oil to prime my face. So I'm just applying this oil all over my face and blending it in. Moving on to color correction, I'm using Stars Cosmetics Orange Color Corrector over here and I'm covering up all the dark spots and discolorations on my face. For foundation, I chose to go with Nykaa Skin Shield foundation and my shade is Foxy Chestnut. So this shade is very close to my skin color and it is like kind of blends in with my skin and does not look like it's made up. For concealer, I choose Inside Cosmetics Pro Conceal HD concealer and my shade is Honey. So I'm just using this concealer on all the places where I have color corrected. It just covers up the color corrector and also brightens up my skin. Next, I have taken Blue Heaven Sapphire Translucent Powder to set my makeup and also to brighten up a few spots on my face. So I'm just pressing it onto my skin and letting it be. Moving on to my eyebrows, I have used Wet n Wild's Ultimate Brow Kit and I'm just shaping my brows and filling it up. Once I'm done with my eyebrows, I just take a fluffy brush and brush out all of the translucent powder and blend it into my skin. Next, for my eye makeup, I have chosen the ITEX Kajal Supreme and I have spotted it all over my eyelids. Once that is done, I take my smudger and smudge all of the kajal into my eyelids, creating a black eyeshadow effect. I'm using a kajal instead of eyeshadow because I want it to be pigmented and I can build it up how much ever I want. I'm using the kajal and smudger method for my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm using the Nicka K Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Lilac Dreams all over my eyelids to create the glitter effect that is required for the festive season. Moving on with the Miss Rose Blush Palette, I'm choosing this red shade for my crease because I want the eyeshadow to pop. Next, I'm using these two shades from the same blush palette to lighten up my cheeks and give it some color. Moving on with the Dazzler mascara to finish up my eye makeup look, I'm just putting it all over my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes. Moving on to the highlighter, I have used the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Highlighter and I have highlighted my cheekbones, nose, brow bones and my chin. Finally, the Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rust Lust to bring the whole makeup together and also to give the festive pop of color that every makeup requires. This also goes amazingly well with my outfit. There goes the completed makeup look. It's very simple and effective, it's very easy to create and completely glamorous when you pair it up with the right kind of outfit. So I'm going to be showing you what is the outfit that I've chosen and all the accessories and everything that I've chosen for this look. So here is the complete outfit that I have chosen for this look number 2 for Diwali 2020. The skirt is from Global Desi and I bought it on Myntra. It's a red pleated skirt and it's also asymmetric. Isn't this super sparkly t-shirt simply perfect for the Diwali season? This loose fit t-shirt is my absolute favorite and it's from H&M. It can be paired together with any kind of bottom wear depending on the occasion. Now since the t-shirt is so blingy, I wanted the accessories to be quite minimal. I chose to go with this watch from Lacoste. It's very simple and classy. Finally, with this beautiful floral drop earrings that are in the right shade that matches the glitters on my t-shirt. They are in this beautiful oxidized copper shade and they are so delicate and amazing. These earrings were gifted to me by my sister and she found it on a roadside shop on T Nagar's Ranganathan Street. And that completes my Diwali look number 2. It's very simple and classic. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do give it a huge thumbs up and also leave your comments in the comment section below. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell icon so that you will be notified every time I put up a video. Until the next time, bye bye and take care.